How do you create a stunning, professional brand experience in a massive office space that actually lasts? Today I'm showing you a project we completed for a well-recognized company in Poland that was moving into its new headquarters. We'll look at why the CEO chose wall printing over traditional options like wallpaper or vinyl stickers, and how this decision changed the entire feel of the office. The result is so clean that every guest who visits is in shock. They keep asking how it's even possible to get such high-quality graphics on the wall with no seams, no joints, and no peeling edges. And if you don't know me yet, hi, I'm Rafa from Wall Printers. On this channel, we show you how to build a high-margin business in the wall printing industry. Let's get started. So how did this whole collaboration actually start? Well, as business owners, we are always trying to improve our own skills in marketing and B2B sales. Because of that, we've been following a Polish entrepreneur named Simon Negacz for quite a while. He shares a lot of great business advice online, so we were always up to date with what he was doing. When we heard that in 2024 his company was moving into a brand new headquarters, we knew this was our big chance. The space was huge, modern, and completely empty. It was like a blank canvas with white walls everywhere, just waiting for the right design. The new office was meant to be a central hub, where all his different companies and teams could finally work together in one place. It was also going to be the main spot for meeting his most important and high-level clients. For a leader like Simon, who really cares about every tiny detail, the office had to look 100% professional and polished. He wasn't just looking for some basic decorations, he needed a solution that would match the high standards of his entire brand. Now, if you work in branding or marketing, you probably already know that an office is much more than just a place to sit and work. It is actually a massive part of a company's image. We want to make sure that the interior reflected exactly what this brand stands for: quality and professionalism. Think about it. If you talk about being a premium business, but your office has peeling stickers or low-quality decorations, you are creating a bad impression. It's like going to a serious business meeting in a shirt with holes in it. It just doesn't make sense, right? Your physical space needs to be a silent salesman that builds trust from the second a client walks in. To make sure everything looked perfect, a professional agency was brought in to create the entire visual concept for the office. They focused on two main things. First, navigation or wayfinding, so that guests can easily find their way around the huge space. And second, total brand consistency. For a professional group like this, the colors and shapes on the wall have to match their brand book exactly. You can't get that kind of precision from standard decorations you find in a store. It has to be 100% custom. Once the agency finished the designs, it was time to decide how to actually put those graphics on the walls. The client looked at several options and even received offers for traditional vinyl stickers. But he rejected that idea almost immediately because it just didn't meet his expectations. Why did wall printing win? First, it's about the look and feel. With vinyl, you can always see that there is an extra layer stuck onto the wall. It has a different texture and often a weird plastic shine that looks cheap. Wall printing, on the other hand, looks like it was painted there by hand. It integrates perfectly with the wall, and there are no visible seams or edges. Then there is the issue of durability. In a busy office, vinyl is risky because the corners can start to peel off after a few months. But there is also a huge practical reason: the exit strategy. Most office buildings require you to return the space to a clean, white state when you move out. If you have used miles of glue and vinyl, removing it is a total nightmare that can ruin the walls. With wall printing, it's simple. If you ever need to change the design or move out, you just take a roller and some white paint. In one evening, the wall is back to a clean state. On top of that, we had to handle many small, intricate details across very long hallways. Applying those by hand with stickers would be an exhausting job with a high risk of mistakes. The printer, however, handles that complexity with millimeter precision. And finally, we have to talk about the budget. Here is the most important part for those of you running a branding business. Even though this was a better value for the client, it was still a very high-margin project for us. We earned several $1,000s in profit in just a few days of work. Simon actually admitted he was in shock when he saw how much less he had to pay compared to the vinyl offers he received earlier. It's the perfect balance. The client gets a premium, durable result, and you get a highly profitable service that is much more efficient than old-school methods. Think about it. The machine does all the work for you, so there is almost no manual labor or physical exhaustion involved. We were able to earn several $1,000s in profit in just a few days of work. It proves that you can offer a premium, high-end solution and still have a much better margin than traditional, labor-intensive methods. By the way, if this kind of business analysis and real-life case studies help you plan your own business in the wall printing industry, this is the perfect time to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you won't miss our future case studies and the marketing tips we share on our channel for free. In total, we printed about 50 square meters of graphics in this office. But here's something very important to understand about wall printing. You don't need to cover the entire wall from floor to ceiling to make the space feel finished. Take a look at this hallway. We printed a timeline showing the history and growth of the company. Even though we printed less than half of the actual wall area, the whole composition feels balanced and complete. I can just imagine Simon walking through this hallway with an important client, using these graphics to tell the story of how his business grew. It's a great way to start a conversation. Another key part of the project was the wayfinding system. We printed various signs throughout the office: arrows, room labels, and even clear directions to the toilets. This might seem like a small detail, but it's actually very important for visitor comfort. To make things even easier, the design included a small map at a strategic point so everyone can quickly find their way around. It's subtle, but it makes the whole office feel much more welcoming and organized. Aside from the hallways and general areas, there was one very special task: the CEO's private office. The goal here was a bit different. Of course, the design had to stay consistent with the company's branding, but the idea was also to show Simon's personality. So in the design, the agency decided to bring in the things he's actually passionate about. We printed elements of Lego, Star Wars, and cars right onto the walls. It turned out amazing because it blends the professional side of the brand with the things he personally loves. It makes the space feel unique and comfortable. It's now a place where he truly enjoys spending his time and making big business decisions. This is the real power of wall printing. It allows you to execute a design so perfectly that the space actually feels like it has a soul. As you can see, wall printing is a powerful asset for any interior branding project. If you already provide design services or run a branding agency, the real value comes from adding this technology to your own toolkit. It gives you full control over the quality and makes the entire process much more efficient and profitable. You no longer have to rely on third-party subcontractors or struggle with traditional slow methods. If you're ready to add wall printing to your offer and stop dealing with the headaches of old school decor, don't waste months trying to figure it out alone. We provide a complete package that includes the equipment, the technical training, and all the business knowledge you need to succeed. Head over to our website, fill out the form, and let's talk about how we can take your business to the next level. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.